Okay. Whoop, almost. Oh. Try it again. Take your time. All right, not bad. You want to hit off the tee?
The guy had called and said that he had lost his phone. If anybody turned it in,
There it is.
so
I see it.
nice.
Do you see it?
Yeah, it's a good shot.
We did a good deed.
Okay, take your time. Oh!
It went in the mud.
Grab it, quick. Good job, Liam. Okay. Take your time. Liam, good shot. You did. Tee it up again. Doug, put it on the tee now.
I did already.
Okay. Take your time. Take your time. Come on. Don't get closer. Oh, there you go.